Today we are going to go over homemade marinara sauce. I do not use any sugar whatsoever. The sweetener that's actually in this is roasted bell peppers and carrots. It actually makes it a very healthy marinara sauce that you can use for spaghetti or even goulash, which was what we like. Everything's there and it's still wonderfully delicious, and it's all healthy and all natural. I hope you enjoy how to make a very easy homemade marinara sauce. To begin, you will need 3 medium onions, peeled and roughly chopped, 5 to 6 heads of garlic, 3 medium carrots, peeled and roughly chopped. Place oil in a skillet and add the garlic. Cook over medium heat for about 3 to 5 minutes. This will allow the skins of the garlic to easily come off. You will want to roast 6 bell peppers. If you have a gas stove, place a rack over the burners. I used my rack from one of my electric roasters. This allows the peppers to stay more evenly over the burner. If you have an electric stove, cut your bell peppers in half lengthwise and place on a baking sheet skin side up. Then place the baking sheet in the oven and broil, not bake, but broil until well charred. Please note that some bell peppers may be fully charred before others. Pull them out accordingly and place in a bowl. Once they're fully charred, place in a bowl with saran wrap over them and keep them in the saran wrap for 20 minutes. This will allow easy peeling. If they are fully charred, your fingers will be able to peel them off very easily, as you can see this happening with the red bell pepper. The char was sticking to my hand, so I rinsed in water. The yellow bell pepper is not fully charred, so I am using the sharp end of a knife to help scrape off the skin. I have 40 vine tomatoes. I am removing the vines from these 40 tomatoes. That is 40. I am coring the center of them and then turning them over and scoring them by cutting across on the very bottom. While I am prepping my tomatoes, I am boiling water behind me because I'm going to blanch them in order to remove the skin easily. Place 5 to 6 tomatoes in boiling hot water until the skins are blistered and start to come off. Immediately place them in ice water until they're cool. Then remove them from ice water so you can easily peel them with your fingers. All of your ingredients are ready to marry now. Add half of your tomatoes into a stainless steel pot, followed by half of your onions, then half of your carrots, followed by half of your garlic. Repeat by adding the rest of your tomatoes, garlic, carrots, and onions. Add salt to taste. I'm putting in about a 1/4 cup of salt. Then add garlic powder. I'm using about 1 cup. Followed by Italian seasoning, and I'm using about 1 1/4 cup. Then onion powder, 1 cup. Followed by 2 tablespoons of ground ginger. Stir all the ingredients together. Then place on medium heat until the vegetables become liquefied up the top. Once you see the tomato juice come a little bit up on top, add your bell peppers along with the juice from the bell peppers. Stir them together and let it marinate for about another 20 minutes over medium heat. Afterwards, grab your immersion blender and blend all of your ingredients. If you do not have an immersion blender, you can blend things on your standard blender. It will just take a little longer as you have to do it section by section. Then put it back into your cooking pot. Add 2 to 3 bay leaves to enhance the flavor. Put them underneath the sauce and marinate for another 10 to 15 minutes on low heat. I hope you actually enjoyed this video. I thought it was very informative, and I hope that's informative for you. I know that a lot of people are unaware of how to make very healthy marinara sauce where it's still delicious, and this by far is the greatest. I hope you give it a try, and I hope you like it. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you next time. Thanks. Bye.